Hi friends, I just received this from Amazon today as a gift to share with you how it looks and how it works. This is a heating pad, but the thing that I most love about this heating pad is this. Look, this beautiful design of the cat and feels so soft and so comfortable. Look, the pad is inside, so you can just open it with this Velcro. And here is our pad. This can help you to relieve some muscular pain. You can use it in your neck, in your back. You can use it in any muscles of your body. And this cat can be washed in your wash machine. So that's so practical and so easy to do. Look, the eyes are beautiful, are blue. Have here this. I love it. So to use the pad, you can put it inside of the microwave that is right here. I'm going to show you. You can read the instructions that came right here. And depending on your microwave, you can put 2 or 3 minutes. I'm going to put 2. And I'm going to show you this card that came with your heating pad, so you can buy it like a gift for someone that have some pain in your body. And if you want help, you can send this heating pad that came with this card that says "I'm here for you." And I think that is a great detail. And have this cat, like the cat of the pad, and you can put some message here too. So I think that is a great detail, honestly. The box is small, it's perfect, and you can use it to put there your pad when you are not using it. So let's wait the microwave. Ready? So you can take it carefully. The smell is grapes, and then it feels so comfortable. Then you put it inside your cat. This way, you close it with the Velcro, and ready. Our pad is inside, and you can use it in any part of your body. Feels so good. The materials are incredibly quality, so I highly recommend it for you if you have so many pain in your in your muscles, or as a gift for someone that you know that need. So I highly recommend it. See you.